Hi everyone and welcome to We Love Art. My name is Denise and today we're gonna recreate the Dubai Skyline originally created by me. What you will need for today's painting is our We Love Art box, available on weloveart.com. In this box you will find our pre-sketched canvas, 7 colors of paint, 3 brushes, a big one for all the big areas, a medium one for all the blending and a small one for all the little details. And that's it. Happy painting everyone! So we're gonna start now in the background. We always start with the background first. It's also a way to kind of slowly warm up those painting muscles. What we're gonna do, we have a big area to fill. So we're gonna use a big brush. With this big brush, I'm gonna create multiple variations in color so that the sky is like a nice soft blend, some sort of a sunset. So what I'm gonna do here at the top layer is that I'm gonna add more red towards the top and I move slowly towards lighter colors towards the bottom. And I do this on purpose because I want the red and maybe later a hint of purple to mix together. So my sky is almost in and I'm really happy. We're missing one thing what we have in Dubai most of the year is the sun. So we're gonna add here, just very simple. And that will be the base of our sun. If your paint is still very wet, it might be that the circle or like your sun doesn't come across too well yet. Then we just need to wait until it's dry. So now we're gonna go to the biggest building in this painting, the Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa is 830 meters tall and is therefore the biggest building in the world. So for comparison, the Eiffel Tower is only 300 meters. So the Burj Khalifa is our star of the show today. Let's go for it. Now, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you very soon again. Bye!